yourself. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Subscribe right now. It's about to be a funny video. I got a monkey app prank for y'all. I'm about to get my wig snatched on monkey, so keep watching for the video. They're gonna be like, what? Like, hey, at time, why are you patting your waves?
What's your profanity?
Mexican.
Just
It didn't record it?
no.
Are you serious?
No.
That was so good. Put a photo like. Hi. Hi. Okay. Bye.
Shut the fuck up, you big little bitch!
Oh gosh. Hi. What's your name?
Did you not see it on the thing?
All it said was money making J, but okay.
Alright, so,
Money make. Okay. Add time.
what you wanna add what's up?
17. How old are you?
Jessica, what are you doing? You already have my phone and you're wearing my wig.
Bro, what is that? You didn't do that, bro. he said, oh. Hi. At time. What's your name? I'm just asking him because like you
Jessica,
just
what are you
started.
doing my phone? You already have my wig on. What are you doing?
What is wrong with you? Why would you do that? Oh my gosh, you're so annoying. Hi.
Hey, Jessie. Hey, Jessie.
Hi. At time. At time. Okay.
Steph, he's a crackhead.
Oh.
Why are you being so annoying?
No.
You're annoying.
Oh my gosh! Why would you do that? Why would you? Hi. At time. Hi. What's your name?
Joshua.
Jessica.
Jessica, why do you keep taking my stuff?
I didn't even do anything.
You even took this wig from me. What the freak?
What is wrong with you? he said, oh. How are you at base on a monkey? You gonna be fighting for USA. What are you doing? Why are you a monkey?
Yeah, time.
Yeah.
Why am I on lunch?
When you're in the military.
Jessica, is that my phone?
Right.
What are you doing? For the US, you could be fighting for
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
your hairline.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hey Jessie. He got his hand down. Subscribe to my channel, Hey Jessie with 2 Y's. Bruh. At time. At time.
Your lips overly greasy, boy. Take that shit off your lips. Black
Mm-hmm.
little ass eyebrows. You give me a hat.
Jessica, I swear to God, why do you have my phone and my wig?
Oh, why would you do that? Oh my god. Hi. At time. What's your name?
Josh.
You're from Alabama?
Yeah.
I live in
Are
Maryland.
you?
Bro, Jessica, stop taking my stuff. I swear to God, this
I
wig is
didn't
mine.
What is wrong with you? Why would you do that? He just stared at. My whole wig has been on like 10 different times. Like it's like. Hi. Huh?
You okay?
Oh yeah. Are you okay? You're the one who's not talking. At time.
At time.
I was about to say that. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Jessica, what are you doing? Is that my phone? Oh my, you already have my wig on. What are you doing?
Why would you do that? What I even do?
You stay using
I'm
my
on the
stuff and you don't
phone.
even ask.
I'm
That's
on
the problem.
the phone.
I don't give a F if you're on the phone. I do not
Bruh.
care. Okay, put the white cap on. My luscious
You ended
lock.
the. We are mumming the video. I said, what are you doing?
Sorry. Ad time.
Like, I need to read the video. Give me the video.
Oh my god, I like that song!
What are you doing? Who are these
Don't
people?
be like,
Who
hey,
are the
I'm-
people? Bro, get my wig, bro. What are you doing? Like, who are these people? Who are these people?
You don't know what's going on. That's what
Nail vlog coming soon. Oh, no, Lance. Hey, oh, y'all little. Hey, y'all.
Boy, if you don't
Y'all going on YouTube, hope you know. So pull it down if you want.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? The niggas have to react, bro. Hi. Y'all look grown. Hi. Oh, your hair is long. What's your name? At time. America.
Jessica, is that my phone?
I don't know.
Jessica, is that my phone? You already have my
Bro,
wig on.
why would you do that? Subscribe to my channel, Hey Jessie.
Two eyes.
Two wise. Where y'all from? I couldn't. Is it Fort Worth? Oh, okay. What's that? Where is that? Like,
Jessica, is that my phone? Wait, is that my phone?
no.
No, yes it is. Why are you lying? You're always
Bro.
lying. This is mine. You're not.
You better stop.
Liar.
Get out my face.
Give me this.
Subscribe to my channel, Hey Jessie with two eyes. Subscribe. I'm with the guy. The guy.
Look, he has the same screen for you.
Hi.
boy, if you don't
Ad time. You from the UK?
Jessica, is that my phone?
Really?
Did I already tell you not to use my
Boy,
phone?
if you
Get
don't-
out my face.
No, because you already
Bruh,
have my,
move
you already
out
have my hair.
Bro, why would you
Do none of your life. You're useless. Give me this phone.
subscribe to my
Hey.
channel? I'm about to get on the thing. Oh, hi. Jennifer.
Jessica, what the hell are you doing? You already have my wig on. You stole my.
That was 1 second. Hi. Oh, my hair looks bad. What's your name? I didn't see your name on the thing.
Junior, what's your name?
Jessica. At time. Where you from?
North Carolina, where you from?
Maryland.
Jessica, oh my god. What are you doing?
Why would you do that?
What are you doing?
Why would you do that? Like, hi.
Hey.
Y'all like YouTubers. At time. Y'all do YouTube?
What?
At time. Okay. What's your name?
Jessica, is that my phone? What do you do with my phone? Oh my god, you
Wait,
already have my hair on
why
too.
would you
What the
do
fuck are you
that?
doing? I don't care who's on your phone. I do not care.
Why would you do that? Hi. Hi, what's your name?
Will, what's your name?
Jessica. At time.
Jessica?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
America.
Jessica, is that my phone? Are you
No,
serious? This is my
why
wig
would
too.
you do
What are you doing?
Why would you do that? Like, oh my gosh.
You're acting so. Hey.
At time.
At time.
Jennifer,
Oh.
what are you doing with my wig
What?
on your head? Why did you do that? Oh my.
Are you really 14?
Hello?
You're 14?
What is him from?
At time.
At time.
What is him from?
Jennifer, what are you doing with my wig on? Like, what is wrong with you? What?
What's up, Letitia?
Hi. Letitia? Who Letitia?
Oh, I thought you knew Letitia.
Oh. What's her name? At time.
What's your name? I'm trying to get to know you.
Jessica.
Relationship.
Jessica, what are you doing my phone? I already told you not to do that. You already have my
Why
phone
did
on
you
too.
do that?
I don't
Oh
think
my
people.
God.
Why was you entertaining them for what? Oh my. I have time.
Hey,
Yo, what's up? What's up?
at time. What's your names? What my voice is like? What's your names?
Oh my God, Jessica, why do you have my phone? I don't know these people. What are you doing?
Why would you do?
Bruh.
Subscribe to my channel, HEYYY, and that's all for this video. Hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know y'all opinions on this video. Maybe a part 2 coming soon. I'm about to do a monkey series, so you know. Bye.